What is going on? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk to you about GoldMining Inc, tickers GLDG under the New York Stock Exchange, or GOLD under the TSX. So I want to give you a good overview of the company, what they do, and just some of the data points that you need to know, and why you need to add this to your watch list. So I'm going to go over all that. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, let's get right to it. And on a side note, I'm going to link their website in the description below for you guys to take a look at. It is very informative. I've already covered this company in a previous video, so I've already gone over the actual management, the directors, the projects, and everything that you need to know. So I highly recommend you guys kind of taking a look at that video, or just taking a look at their website, which again is going to be in the description below. As far as this, there was some news that recently did come out on July the 24th, and it is actually some fairly good news. So it does say GoldMining announces positive preliminary economic assessment for the 𝗪𝗧𝗡 project in Colombia. And it does say, as far as right here, over the 12-year lifespan or estimated lifespan of this mine, it is estimated to be producing 1.74 million gold equivalent ounces, which does equate to a lot of money. And for those of you that haven't invested in a gold company, when it is a smaller market cap company and good news like that does come down the pipeline and they actually do commit on it, it generally goes up very, very fast. But keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so you guys always do your own due diligence. And just to put it in perspective, so the market cap is $157.33 million as well. And of course, when it comes down to investing in gold, I think the age-old kind of statement is very true. The fact that when there is a lot of fear and the market is about to take a very swift downtrend, that is the best time to kind of move some money to gold. And I think generally speaking, a lot of people like to have gold in their portfolio all the time. But when it comes down to good old Michael Burry, which of course he's been predicting kind of doomsday and a massive recession, he was, I think, off Twitter for a very long time, and it looks like he did come back on the 27th. So, and he does say maybe it's time for a market correction. So maybe time for a little bit more of a bearishness. And looking as far as the spot price on gold over the last little bit, it's actually stabilized. So of course, this is where you could potentially see all-time highs once again, and or maybe just a very good rally. And of course, when that happens, stocks such as this, that especially based on the market cap, like I mentioned, will go up very, very fast. When it comes down to it, just to give you guys a good overview of, for instance, the highlights of the actual balance sheet and so forth. So some balance sheet highlights right here. Total cash equivalents, short-term investments is $26.06 million, $61.59 million in long-term investments versus only $4.54 million in debt. So this definitely has one of the cleanest balance sheets in my own opinion. And clearly analysts and institutions do agree with me, because for instance, looking here at the latest round of 13Fs, which shows institutions' disclosures to the SEC, for instance, a lot of them have been increasing their position or just brand new positions in general. So once again, I think that's a very good thing going forward. And like I mentioned, analysts as well. So for typically a market cap of this size, analysts seem to, and typically don't really follow them, but as you can see right here over there, looks like actually I think on the 25th more specifically, there was two. So HC Wainwright and Roth MKM did both give ratings both on the 25th, like I said, and they maintained their buy rating, $5.25 as the target for one, $2.75 for the other. And just once again, to put it in perspective, this is only at 90 cents. So you actually have analysts right now saying that this should be worth $5.25 or $2.75. But once again, make sure you guys always do your own due diligence. And as well, just to put that in perspective, so I touched on some of the latest updates for this. This is kind of the breakdown of all the companies that are currently investing in GoldMining Inc. And you get a lot of good players such as Van Eck, Ruffler, Cullen. Unfortunately, you see Citadel. I know some people have mixed feelings on Citadel, but I think generally speaking, based on this, they do have a long position. So they're not trying to maliciously short gold mining. But like I said, I think generally this company does offer a lot based on this last PR as well. It clearly does signal that big things are going to be continuously coming, and there is a lot of high expectations on this company. And analysts, see that as well, right? Because keep in mind, this news came out on July 24th, and because of this news specifically, this is why analysts did jump on board. So let me know you guys' thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. One final thing I just wanted to share with you, take advantage of free promos, and that is with Moomoo. Click on the link in the description below or also the comments. Sign up for a free account, throw $100 at it, you get 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000, plus you get a $50 cash reward. So it is a win-win. Link in the description below and also the comments. With that said, I appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on GoldMining Inc.